Installing WendyOS on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Thor now takes just a USB-C cable and a single command. No additional hardware required. Everything you need is included in the Jetson Thor box. Start with the Thor powered off. Connect your development machine to the USB-C port beside the HDMI port. Then connect the Thor's power supply to the other USB-C port. To enter recovery mode, press and hold the middle button. Tap the button on the right, wait a moment, and then release the middle button. Now open a terminal and run sudo WendyOS install. The Wendy CLI automatically downloads the latest version of WendyOS, detects the Thor over USB, and begins to install it over the cable. Once flashing is complete, power cycle the Thor and leave the USB-C cable connected. After a minute or two, run Wendy Discover. And that's it! Your Jetson AGX Thor is running WendyOS and ready to build, deploy, and manage robotics applications.